everybody. This is Tammy here, Community Manager at CubiCasa, and it is about 8 o'clock on Saturday night, just outside Seattle. And so I've had a really great photographer day. I did some paperwork and took care of some expenses and checked on my photo gear maintenance. It's been really exciting, but this is the highlight of my day because now I'm going to do the drawing for the winner of our 25 free scans. So thank you so much to everyone who participated in our first plans to show how you're promoting floor plans on your website. So without further ado, from our entries, the winner will be is Scott Smith. So thank you everyone who participated. Watch for more opportunities to win scans and other goodies. Join our Facebook group and connect with us. We're here for you. We'd love to hear from you. So thanks everyone. Have a great night.